Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 14 on behalf of the opposing government advocate. We are yet to receive instruction with regards to respondent 6, newly impleted respondent 6.
Newly impleted.
We ask for some time.
Okay. Miss.
take into consent of the petition.
Okay, prayer is made on behalf of Mr.
V. Zimo.
V.G. Mumi, Learned State Council. On the ground that prayer for adjournment is made on the ground that Mr. Jimumi has not received the necessary instructions to from the
Respondent 6.
to file the affidavit in opposition on behalf of the newly implemented respondent number 6. Prayer for adjournment is made. Stop. It has been paid. That case be listed after
3 weeks.
2 weeks. In order to obtain the necessary instruction and to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 6. It is further submitted that consent has been taken from the learned counsel for the petitioner to make the prayer. Okay, the price log is the case after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
You are Miss, you are for petitioner?
Respond.
Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention here in item number 16.
16, yes?
Yes, kindly list this matter after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Okay, on the prayer of Miss
Kelly Lisu.
learned counsel for the petition, list the case after 2 weeks. It is submitted that who is Miss S. Mary?
Yes.
You are for learned senior government advocates for the state respondents who is in attendance. Kama has submitted that she has no objection to the prayer means. A list, Koluna?
And Lordship, also item number 9. We are-
9.
Yes, Lordship.
Hmm.
We are yet to file affidavit in opposition. We have already received the instruction, Lordship, so can they allow?
You are for respondent number?
Respondent number 5.
Okay, Miss,
Lordship. For the
Okay.
petition.
state has filed. Okay. Miss So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner, Miss Inna Holdi. Learned State Council for the state response are present. Miss So-and-so, Kelly learned counsel appearing for respondent number 5. Has paid for and is granted. How much time?
Big time, Lordship.
Okay, 1 week time to file the Philippine opposition on behalf of the respondent number 5. List the case accordingly after a week on a date to be fixed by the office.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11 on behalf of respondent number 2 and 3, Lordship.
2 and 3.
Lordship, I have yet to receive instructions, so kindly allow me 3 weeks time to file my.
Okay, Mr.
Lakney form, Lordship.
Mr. Forte, you are there.
Lordship.
Mr. Poseco Forte, learned counsel for the petitioners is present. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the respondent number 2 and 3 has submitted that he is yet to receive the necessary instructions to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the said respondents. Has thus paid for how much time?
3 weeks time, Lordship.
3 weeks time to file, to obtain the necessary instructions and to file the counter affidavit. Full stop. The very allowed to list the case after so-and-so weeks. Need to be fixed by the office. The interim order, silo, past idea shall continue till the next day.
And Lordship.
Mr. Anlong, Mr.
Jinyang Pong for Yahoo.
Okay,
If I may, Lordship, my name may be reflected in
the name of so-and-so be reflected in the respondent side in the court list.
Obliged, Lordship.
Learned counsel for the respondent number 2 and 3.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 1 and 2, Your Lordship. I have instruction to appear on behalf of Zedinguli for all the respondents, Your Lordship.
Jed,
Zedinguli.
okay.
Since the council is in this post, I believe this matter will become after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay. You are for the petitioner,
Yes.
Mr.
Pamon Devi.
Pamo. Learned counsel has appeared for the petitioner. Mr.
Jinyang Pong.
Learned counsel representing Mr. Jade and Anguli.
Yes. Yes.
Learned Central Government Council has submitted that instructions have been received by Mr. Anguli to represent all the respondents.
Yes, Your Lordship, for all the respondents.
Full stop. And what is your prayer?
Your Lordship, this matter will come after 3 weeks since the respondents are yet to file their affidavit.
Okay. A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. Anguli to list the case after 3 weeks in order to file counter affidavit on behalf of the respondents. Most of the prayer is allowed, leaves the cases after 3 weeks.
Obligation, my pleasure.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 3 and 4. I have the consent from the other party. Kindly let the matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Okay. Miss
Yuka Kokla.
Learned Counsel, paying for a petition, has prayed for listing of the cases, not together, huh? Listing of the case after 3 weeks. It is submitted that consent has been taken from the Learned Counsel for the respondents to make the prayer.
3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply.
Okay. As prayed for is granted and granted 3 weeks time to file an affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents. Ms. Ina Holi, Learned State Counsel, is in attendance. Same 3 and 4. Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12 on behalf of LD Santa Petitioner.
LT Sanctam.
Lordship,
Hmm.
here the state is yet to receive instructions, so in 3 weeks time we can grant it to the Lordship.
3 weeks time.
Lordship,
Yes, Mr. Yalu. Mr. L. Yalu, Learned Counsel for the petitioner is present. Ms. Pichano,
Lordship,
Learned State Counsel, appearing for Mr. L.T. Sanctam, Learned Additional Advocate General Nagaland for the state respondents, has prayed for listing of the case after 3 weeks in order to file counter affidavit on behalf of the state respondents. First of the prayer is allowed, list the case after 3 weeks. Maybe
Lordship,
2 weeks by the office.
item number 13,
13.
Lordship, on behalf of Achuli.
Asungli.
Lordship,
Hmm.
kindly grant 3 weeks time to file affidavit, Lordship.
May this Your Lordship. Your Lordship, as per the previous order, the government council were directed to file an affidavit stating whether the petition they have entered to the office memorandum 15/9/2025.
Okay, no instruction,
Lordship, I inform that affidavit is under preparation.
under preparation.
Lordship,
Then shorten it by 2 weeks.
Lordship,
Lordship.
Miss
She said, Your Lordship.
Learned Counsel for the petition is present. Miss Pichano, Learned State Counsel, appearing for Miss Asungli, Learned State Counsel for the state respondents. Learned Government Advocate for the state respondents has submitted that instructions after receipt of instruction, the affidavit in opposition is under preparation and the same will be filed within 2 weeks' time. She has thus prayed for listing of the case after 2 weeks. Post of the prayer is allowed, raise the case after 2 weeks.
I oblige, Lordship.
On date to be fixed by the office.
My apologies, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 10 on behalf of the leading counsel. Your Lordship,
You are for the
Kindly-
petitioner,
yes, Your Lordship in the IA.
you are for the applicant,
Yes, Your Lordship.
okay, for the bank,
Yes, Your Lordship.
yes,
Kindly grant us 3 weeks time to file our affidavit in reply.
in the IA.
Yes. The opposite parties have filed the oppositions to our IA.
Okay, Mr. Imtichang,
K. Shijo.
K.A. Sijo,
Yes, Your Lordship.
Learned Counsel for the applicant. Bank has prayed for and is granted 3 weeks time to file an affidavit, a reply to the objection filed by the opposite party read petitioner. Full stop. Miss,
For the petitioner,
Miss
Yuka Kokla.
Koplang.
Yuka Kokla.
Okay, Learned Counsel for the opposite party. This read petitioner is present. Oh, is there any interim order? Interim order. This IA is for vacation of interim order.
Yes, Your
The
Lordship.
interim order passed, it shall continue till the next date of listing.
For admission, item numbers 5 to 8.
5 to 8. What about 1?
Yes.
May I please lordship?
Tell Mr. Jamir to come after the court to meet me.
Yes.
Yes.
Lordship, in item numbers 7 and 8, I have filed my reply affidavit this morning. I have served the copies, your lordship.
Okay.
So item number 5 to 8, they are analogous. I have a short submission to make, your lordship. Here the pleading is complete, but similar matter appeal is pending, your lordship.
Okay.
So the appeal is Brief Appeal 12 and 13 of 2025. There is a delay petition also that has to be heard. That is IA 121 of 2025 and IA 122.
So what do you propose?
So your lordship, if this matter be taken up to disposal of that appeal, your lordship.
Okay, we put it on hearing
Lordship.
if all the pleadings
Yes.
complete?
Your lordship. We can do.
Yes. Mr. T.B. Jamir, learned counsel for the petitioners, and Miss.
Procedural on behalf of CJC Bideka.
Okay. For the respondents, first up, the learned counsel for the parties have submitted that exchange of pleading is complete and cases can be listed for hearing in due course. First up, in view of the above submission made by the learned counsel for the parties, in view of the submission made by the learned counsel for the parties that the exchange of pleading is complete, list the cases for hearing in due course. You want any month, preferably?
It depends on your lordship. The
Okay.
disposal criteria.
Okay.
Usual course, your lordship.
Okay.
Let the registry.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date.
Nice.
For hearing, item number 15.
Petitioner is approaching this court on the basis of land ownership.
Land ownership.
Measure. So he is one of the latter who's being recorded. Lordship, despite of the other landowners being violated.
What is your case?
My lordship, I come to the affidavit level session filed by the responding government.
Is there any private respondent?
Yes, there is no. This file ordered also. Notice has been deemed to be completed. Lordship.
You has been the responding number so and so. Signature return. If so, the service has been made.
Okay.
Okay. Now, what is the case?
Before I come to the petition, lordship, I can refer to the affidavit of the respondent. Page 9 of the government affidavit.
Page 9.
Yes, I'm sorry, yes. Page, relevant portion is 10.
10.
Yes. Portion the back copy is at 11. So these are the landowners who has been given appointment.
Yachung Son Colombi.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I am the only landowner who has not been given the opportunity.
You are related to whom? Michael.
No, I'm my father's name is Peter. Michael is
Peter.
our landowner.
But how much land was given?
Block of landowners, they have combined together and they have given the land to the boundary for establishment of boundary.
Vandari. CHC means?
Yes.
CHC means? What is the full form of CHC? No.
Establishment of under chief.
CHC. Vandari. What is that CHC? HC, I think health center.
It's community health.
Community health.
Community health. Ah.
Community health center.
7 person already appointed.
7 landowners,
Huh.
but I've not been given the opportunity.
What is the policy?
Lordship, may kindly see the agreement between the landowners and.
First, let me have the policy. The person of government is pleased to notify the following policy with regard to appointment on the landowners. It has been laid down by notification that no land shall be acquired free of cost, and all land shall be acquired on payment of full compensation as determined by law. No further condition for employment in service
Mr. Allen.
or continue will be entering. However, in case any department has entered into the land in deviation of the land policy on or after, shall be treated as null and void. The department concerned shall take necessary action. Which clause is applicable?
See,
3C.
That is in, if my lordship will come to the page 3 of the agreement administration. Lordship.
We'll come to that. Let me have the policy first. We'll also clarify. What is your petition? Let us see your petition.
Yes, lordship.
Hoop village. Recommended by landowner
Starts from 2, lordship.
for appointment of a medical at a Bhandari health center. Somebody retired.
Somebody retired, and in his place, some other person was appointed, lordship, who is not a landowner.
Seren Lotha.
Yes, madam.
Soreni Lotha.
Miss Srimati Sorini Lota was appointed in his place.
Bhandari, his date of birth, medical attendant. Date of release 30/4/2023. She retired as a vacancy remains new candidates. The applied for no objection with. This affidavit is by Bhandari land.
Landowners Association.
But where is the agreement? There is no agreement. We have laid down your own norms.
The agreement is at page 16, Lordship.
That is 16, Annex E1.
Yes.
You have laid down your own norms. It is not an agreement. Agreement means what? There should be two parties.
On behalf of the landowners, Lordship.
That is one side.
Yes.
Where is the agreement?
This is
You have laid.
this was attested and by the
That cannot be an agreement. We don't find.
pardon?
Because as per the policy, this is when? It was when? Definitely after vacancy. When you recommended the petitioner's name, they recommended the petitioner's name.
Petitioner's name was recommended and the respondent name is
Huh?
he was not recommended, Lordship. The private
No,
respondent.
no. This affidavit is when? Is of which date?
Yes.
It is not an agreement.
He's an affidavit in a way, Lordship.
Huh,
Way you can say
affidavit is-
affidavit, Lordship.
Self-serving affidavit.
In a way, it's an, yes, Lord, but it is
Affidavit contains two parties or one party?
yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
It is one party.
Yes, in a way, Lord.
You have laid down all the norms that 75%, 25%. You have laid down your own norms and sent it to the government
Yes, Lordship.
with an endorsement. It is not an agreement.
In a way, yes, I agree, Lordship, it was not an agreement, but on the
And what you were challenging?
in the on the
Respondent
basis-
number 5. Respondent number 5, he has been appointed.
Yes, he has been appointed, Lordship.
How?
We don't know, Lordship, how he was
Huh?
appointed, and he has not.
Consequent of the approval. Is he a landowner, sir?
No, not.
Then how he can be appointed?
Your Lordship, may I make a brief submission? Your Lordship, for the petitioner to be entitled to avail any relief from this court.
No, what he is
Yes,
seeking, let
he
us
must-
see, let us have
Yes,
impugn order 17.8.
yes.
17.8, that is annexer F. For cancellation of the appointment of the private respondent, what is your ground?
Yes.
Yes, Lordship, we have written to the,
What is your ground?
that is page 18, Lordship, my,
Para 10, 17 meeting. Appointed to the submitted a representation and they will not accept. No ground has been urged.
Yes.
Problem is that
Your Lordship, my submission is that.
what is not pleaded. Mr. Yangarabati, you should have pleaded that this man has been appointed, he is not a landowner, plus he has been appointed without any advertisement and without undertaking any selection process. That would be a good ground for cancellation of his appointment. That is one part. Second part is about your prayer for appointment on the basis of landowner.
no.
And materials placed before us
Yes,
is
Lordship.
not sufficient
It's not sufficient, Lordship.
to
Agree.
hold a view. But there are two parts. One is your appointment. Second is cancellation of the appointment of respondent number 5. For that, I have seen your not a single statement that
Yes.
he was appointed without any advertisement,
Yes.
without any selection process, and he was not from landowner family.
If my Lord may make a suggestion, please.
Please,
If the Lordship may issue a direction that the verification will be conducted and if he's found to be.
that is not there, sir. You make a additional ground.
My
Why? Affidavit?
belief is very.
Very low,
insufficient.
very.
Insufficient, Lordship. So,
Absolutely insufficient.
If my Lordship will dispose of this application, the petition, with the direction, if I am found to be a landowner, my case may be considered.
No, that is also not there, sir.
I'm not saying I'm pre-appointed, but.
No,
if I
that
am
is also
found-
not there. I cannot give a positive direction for consideration.
I'm not
Because
saying a
you have not
direction.
made out any case.
But if I am found to be a landowner.
7 already appointed.
Yes, 7 already
Right.
appointed, so,
And it is not a source of appointment in perpetuity,
yes.
right? And there must be existence of an agreement.
Yes,
We have found, subject to your view, that many clans are involved.
all right.
That 4 families have donated the land. And appointment mates are from 3 families till date. The 4th family has not got appointment. Yes, so we can somehow observe, though not very legal, sound that his case could be considered. You have not made out any case,
Yes,
that no agreement,
yes, Lordship, in my petition, I have not met out any case.
no case.
Yes.
And secondly, for cancellation of appointment of the respondent of 5,
Yes.
also you have not made out any case.
I am not saying the appointment of the respondent will be cancelled, but to consider my
And when is the last, his appointment was in 17 August 2023. You have filed this writ petition in 4th April 2025.
24.
You have not pleaded.
24.
No.
Yes.
24.
24. You have not pleaded anything, that no advertisement, nothing. How can we cancel his appointment?
Lordship, I'm not saying to dismiss I'm not saying, but I'm only
No,
requesting your Lordship
See-
to consider my case if I am found to be.
How? Problem is that vacancy is filled up.
Yes, in other vacancies, Lordship. To consider my case.
This is absolutely nothing.
Yes, Lordship.
We are with you,
Yes, Lord.
but
I understand, Lordship.
you have no foundation.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
You have not made the foundation
Yes.
either for your case
Yes.
or for cancellation of the respondent of 5's appointment.
Yes,
This is the problem.
yes, Lordship. Very true.
One statement that no selection process, no advertisement, he is not from a landowner's family. Yes, I could have intervened that this man must not stay. We don't know about your case,
Hello.
but his appointment, because the policy says whatever is there, it should be by advertisement.
Yes.
Last one.
They were,
Page 12.
yes.
After the appointed landowner retires and vacates the post, the vacancy will be filled up through open advertisement
Yes.
in consonance with the existing policy giving equal opportunity to all applicants.
Lord.
Think it over. Otherwise, I have not found any case for both the
Lord.
prayers.
If my only made direction that my case may be considered, and if found I'm an employee.
To have that direction, there must be an agreement.
There is already the certificate from the landowners that.
And secondly, cancellation of respondent of 5's appointment.
I understand, Lordship.
I have not pleaded any ground.
I am not praying for cancellation of the respondent, Lordship, the private respondent.
I am closing it.
To consider,
Though,
Lordship, if I am an
where is if you go by the agreement, affidavit is a self-serving affidavit.
yes, I agree, Lordship.
You can make anything there. You can say anything there.
Yes,
But if your statements are accepted by the other party, then it is a two-sided agreement. Then it is agreement.
yes.
We don't find for consideration also. The land area committee making recommendation will not do.
Yes.
Where is that recommendation of the landowner committee?
12, my affidavit, page 12.
Your affidavit, page 12.
Even in the recommendation letters, it's nowhere mentioned that this petitioner is a landowner, my lordship.
This is a certificate that Peter under landowner, local public with the applicant. Nothing. Nothing.
Yes.
Very weak.
This is the only recommendation I got from the union, Your Worship.
See page, next page also, minister or who? MLA. He is also very vague.
Hmm.
He is also very vague. Neither here nor there. He based his case on the basis of this landowners union.
Recommendation.
He has not said anything. Seeking his appointment to the post of so-and-so against the retirement vacancy, the applicant is a local candidate
Yes.
whose application had been duly recommended by the Bhandari Town Landowners Union. Now, if we see, it is also vague, page 12, under landowner, I don't know what is under landowner.
Yes, that's what. Yes.
You have not made out your case, neither you have made out a case for cancellation of the appointment of the. Had you pleaded something that his selection
This
was.
is not documents as such, Lordship. I'll be bring that.
Many pleaded, I have seen many pleaded this is not without an advertisement, without selection process. Then we ask the state respondents that please establish. They fail to establish, we cancel. Many cases we have cancelled, but you have not made out. Sir, you are a seasoned lawyer, you have not made out any case.
Yes, Lordship, my documents are very quite complete also.
Hard. Well, closing it.
Your Lordship.
Just my Lord, I need to verify where my
Or you get information. One thing you can do, you get information from RTI, then file a fresh, I can give you liberty to withdraw it. To file a fresh. Or otherwise, I am closing it with dismissal.
Lordship, I don't, to be very frank, Lordship, there is no documents to support my case.
Okay.
That is, I will be very true, Lordship.
Heard, Mr. Yangarvati, learned counsel for the petition, Mr. V.
M. Longcomer.
M. Longkumar, learned government advocate.
Yes, Your Lordship.
For the respondent number 1 to 4.
Yes.
Full stop. Para, the petitioner has instituted the instant writ petition under article.
Lordship, then Lordship, I may be allowed to withdraw with that liberty file fresh.
Okay, it is up to you. I'll give Mr. After hearing the learned counsel for the parties for some length, Mr. Yangarvati, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that the petition may be allowed to withdraw the petition with the liberty to file afresh with better particulars. Post up. The said pair of Mr. Yangarvati has not been opposed by Mr. Longkumar, learned government advocate, appearing for the respondent number 1 to 4. Post up. Despite service of notice, the respondent number 5 has not appeared in the instant writ procedure. Post up. Last that's not opposed. In view of the above submission made by Mr. Yangarvati, learned counsel for the petitioner, that the petition is dismissed on withdrawal, with the liberty, as prayed for. Come up with better particulars.
These are the only documents that is.
You can, I don't know about your consideration, but the case for cancellation for,
Yes.
if it is without selection. If it is really without selection, and he is not a landowner. If he is a landowner, then there will be competing claims. Who is a better landowner?